Obesity is a privilege. Yeah, I know that's a clickbait. But before I continue, ensure that you're liking, sharing, commenting, following me if you like my videos. So recently we saw this lady and she was in a mobile chair. Mind you, we didn't say anything to this lady. I'm not discriminating, right? I'm not being hateful either. We're just discussing a topic that came to mind, and this lady seemed to be in this mobile chair because of her obesity, morbid obesity, and it came to us that a lot of persons sometimes don't make an active effort to be obese. However, because of unconscious decisions, you wake up one day and you realize, oh no, I'm fat, right? And but then what do you do there? Other persons don't know, they have been so in programmed in their day-to-day life, they can't change what is already done. Or they don't want to, or they don't have the will or the means. So it's a downhill spiral from there. And his discussion continued into the looking into the fact that obesity really and truly was viewed as privilege and still is viewed as privilege in certain civilizations, because you had to be of a certain financial capacity to be able to eat as much as you want in order for you to gain the weight. And again, people, I am aware that there are certain persons that who are obese not because of their eating habits but because of their illness. We're not talking about those persons, right? So the conclusion is that obesity really and truly is a privilege, because if we were not living in our current society where we could afford to be obese, we couldn't. Let me expound on that some more. If we lived in a society where you had to go and hunt your own food, none of us would be fat. And I myself am fat. So I'm talking about myself as well. What's the purpose of this video? I'm not sure. But hey, I was thinking about it. I made a video on it. Thank you for listening.